Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
What did she say? What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
Jason Derulo.
That it's all for the best, cause it is.
I was so wrong for so long, only trying to please myself. Girl, I was caught up in her lust when I don't really want no one else. So no, I know I should have treated you better, but me and you were meant to last forever. So let me in, give me another chance to really be your man. Cause when the roof caved,
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. You're
Ito ba yung meeting place natin? Oo, pre. Tingnan mo nga, dumi-dumi. Ew, tara na nga, malis na tayo. Tara. Tingnan mo nga, ang dumi-dumi dito, kanal ba to o ilog? Dito ka na niligo, no? Tol talaga. Sabon na lang eh. Tokmol. Tokmol. Opo yan, no? Yeah!
Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita.
Ano mangyari pag di mo makita?
Joyce, saan ka na?
Tatagpuan natin.
Gusto mo ba?
Salamat.
Gusto mo ba meeting place natin?
Siyempre naman, napakalinis dito. Agad-agad, baby prince!
Hey!
oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've been looking under rocks and breaking locks, just trying to find you. I've been like a maniac, insomniac, 5 steps behind you. Tell them other girls they can hit the exit check, please. Cause I finally found a girl of my dreams. Much more than a Grammy Award, that's how much you mean to me. You could be my it girl, baby you're the girl. Loving you could be a crime. Crazy how we did.
Dito po kami, papunta sa shooting. Yeah! Absent po si Kate and Matt. Doon na po ang aming shooting ground. Bukid sa... Yan, dumi nito. Yeah! Ang kate. Ba't si George pala habang naglalakad? Tama na! Ang dumi! Napakadumi! Umiipid yung ano! Yung kay Hika. Dumi na medyas ko. Kaya ano, tawag ito kay Mika. Lumulupog ako! Ay, grabe!
Dougie, fresh like 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 Dougie, fresh like. Okay, take a look at my swagger, so on point, feeling sharp.
Fine.
Trying to call home all of my change I spent on you.